Hey, it's Hannah with WTI. If you've been looking for a great way to give your plants the royal treatment, then you're gonna love this big leaf energy from Bless Your Soil.
Let's be real here. I am not the best plant parent, but I love my plants so much. So, having anything that is going to help them survive me is huge. And this stuff from Big Leaf Energy is really so good for my plants. They are really, really happy since I started using this. This giant monstera in my bedroom has been going through a lot. We've been doing a lot of construction and it has been covered in sheetrock dust. But dusting it and giving it the nutrients from this big leaf energy has been huge for it. I really love this product. I enjoy how, although it has neem oil, it doesn't smell like neem oil. And if you are familiar with it, you know what I'm talking about. It is so helpful for all of my plant babies. I'm really trying to take better care of them. And I think that they are thanking me for getting this product.
My plants and I are so happy to have this big leaf energy in our home now. They are so happy, shiny, and healthy, and I am so glad we have this. And that's my point of view.